Warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years old. I agree. Ho ho ho, guys. It's Blaze. So I was at Dollar Tree the other day and I saw this and I was very intrigued and I just had to get it because it was just $1 and I was very curious of what was inside because it's like $1 and it's an advent calendar. So it was in the kids section, obviously, but it's a Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse movie countdown collection advent calendar. It only goes to 20 days, which is weird. Huh? I have absolutely no idea what's in here, but if you have a kid that loves Spider-Man or you love Spider-Man, I know my late boyfriend Michael was obsessed with Spider-Man. It was his favorite superhero and everything I ever got him basically was Spider-Man. So I'm gonna open all of these. Demon came out. I'm gonna open all these on camera because I am just so intrigued of what a dollar store advent calendar entails, because it doesn't really tell you. So I'm curious. I thought this would be a fun little video. I've never done an advent calendar all at once unboxing on a channel. I usually just do my advent calendars every year. On Christmas Day, I release them. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get started on door number 1, obviously. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in the ass with my nails. I'm gonna definitely break a nail with one of these. Okay, what do we got here? This is... How do they expect you to get this? A little action figure? It's the littlest action figure I have ever seen in my life. And it's hard as hell to get out. There you go. There you go. So this is like the darker Spider-Man, I guess. I don't know what... If you guys know anything about this, like, is this the evil Spider-Man? I don't know. So we got this like rubbery little action figure of the darker Spider-Man, and he's, I guess that's his web behind him. So this is definitely a choking hazard, so I will keep this away from Dexter, but that's behind door number 1. We're gonna be using this. Okay, door number 2. Let's go. Let's see what's behind door number dos. Oh, I ruined it. Lo siento. Door number... Oh, we got a different action figure of what looks like just regular. Why does he have all of his costume on except for the mask? Again, you guys might know this, I do not. But it looks like just Peter Parker with his gear on except for his mask. It's another little rubbery action figure that, again, choking hazard, and they're selling this to children, so maybe they're trying to kill kids and reduce the surplus population. Okay, number 3, here we go. Number 3. I really shouldn't have chosen to do this when I put nails on. All right, what do we got here? We got a sticker. That's cute. So we got a little there's 2 Spider-Mans? Okay, so is this like there's an evil Spider-Man and just regular Spider-Man? Is that what this is? Can somebody, if y'all know, let me know down in the comments. I'm dumb when it comes to this. I just wanted to do this because I thought it was cute and I thought it was fun and I was just very, very interested. I'm sure my late boyfriend would be just right into my ear and I would be, doing my best to stay awake. Door number 4. Door number 4. Ow. Alright, we got a little choking hazard again. What the hell is that? Get out of there. Okay. So, we got this guy. I don't know what or who this is. Maybe you do. I don't know if it's a villain or a friend. I don't know if it's friend or foe. But yay, and another choking hazard. So we've got 3 choking hazards and a sticker. Joy to the world. On the 5th day of Christmas, Dollar Tree gave to me another choking hazard. Is this Spider-Man in a dress? I mean, I'm not judging at all. I like seeing. But this is like evil Spider-Man in a dress. Is that a dress or is that a web? That's probably a web, but once I get this out in a few years, you're gonna see it looks like a dress. Okay, no, it's a web that he's like kneeling on, but at first glance, that looked like a dress, like a white dress, okay? But no, he is indeed kneeling on like some web glacier. I don't know. Again, these are so super small. How do they expect children to not devour these and die? I'm here for it. What day are we on? 6? Hi, Sister Blaze. You want to come open a choking hazard? You're no fun. Okay, number 6. Ooh, we got another choking hazard, but he is a big boy. Ooh, so he's like a... Ooh, what'd that tongue do? He is a big green guy. This is what he looks like. I'm assuming he's a foe, because he looks like he would be a bad guy. He looks like a lizard Hulk man. So, lizard Hulk man. That's what we get. Yay. Yeah. Door number 7. We got, I'm assuming these are just all going to be choking hazards and maybe a sticker here and there. That's my guess. Okay, so this is just like a blue see-through kind of Spider-Man that just has the red emblem, which is kind of cool. I actually kind of like this. It's like a frozen, icy kind of Spider-Man. I actually kind of like that. I like that. I might do something crafty with that. I might do something crafty with all these. I don't know if you guys can think of something like that I can do. Let me know. Come on, door number 8. We got... Is that a pig version of Spider-Man? I don't know what... What? What is Spider-Man turned into? I don't know. Maybe this is the way it's always been. And, like, I just knew, like, the movies with Tobey Maguire in it. And that was it. But, like, he kind of reminds me of Rocco's Modern Life, but with a pig nose. Door numero 9. I'm good. What the hell? What is this? Oh, are you gonna make me put something together? What the hell is this? So we got 2 pieces of cardboard right here. It says side A, side B. Okay. Oh, at least they're giving me, like, instruction. Sort of. So... why are you making me build things? This is not what I want to do with an advent calendar. I want to just, you know, have fun with it. They're gonna make me build this, aren't they? Up. I think I got it. Here we go. I don't know what the hell it is. I guess it's just like... Oh, I guess it's like a stand where you can put your little Rush My Baby to the ER toys. And it's a Spider-Man and like graffiti kind of thing. I mean, it's different, so yay. Doll number 10. Is this a sticker? Yes, it is. It's a sticker, so it's just a nice little Spider-Man sticker. I love stickers, so it doesn't matter what they are. I just love stickers, and I collect stickers, and I'll just put them wherever I want. Door number 11. We got an... I wish I knew the names of these characters. I wish I knew what I was talking about when it came to this calendar. But alas, I do not. Is my eyelash coming off? I don't know. My makeup's been on for a very long time. And I have not slept. And this guy just does not want to come out. Can we pry you out? Up. He looks like a gray Frankenstein almost. There we go. So, this is the guy that we got. Right here. He looks very basic. I don't know. Why does my eyelash look like that? Girl, get back to work. Your shift is not over. Door number 12. We got another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another Spider-Man. Shooting web out his wrist? That's where it comes out of, right? Not his hand. It's his wrist, right? Here we go. So, this one. This is probably one of my favorite ones we've gotten so far. So, we got this one. Cute. Lucky number 13. Don't disappoint me, baby. What is this? Is it a sticker? It's a sticker. Oh, and it's a very cool sticker. This reminds me of the logo for Spencer's a long time ago. You guys know what I mean? If you're as old as I am. I like this one. So that was lucky 13. Number 14. Got a red figure. So it's basically like the blue one, just now we got red and the emblem is black. So just like the blue one, except now it's red. So we got a blue one and a red one. That's actually really cool looking together. So that's what we got. Door number 15. Another figure. The only reason I hate doing these figures is because they're so hard to get out and it hurts my nails. Ooh, he posing. So we got the dark figure Spider-Man, and he's like, what bitch? I like that. He looks like kind of like a ninja. I like that. He's got some tood. Number 16. We got a sticker. We got a sticker. Another cool sticker. I like the stickers. They've got some cool stickers. I like their stickers. They're probably my favorite thing so far, is the stickers. They are definitely my favorite things, are the stickers. Okay, we're going for door number 17, which is the largest door. Ugh, they're gonna make me build again, aren't they? Yeah. Damn them. What? Why? It's Christmas. Why are you making me do things? So, like, it's like a building that you would put your little guys on, right? Right. Okay, I'm not building it right now, but you guys, you get it. Okay. Also, like, I get it's Dollar Tree and this is $1, but why only 20 days? There's at least supposed to be 24 or 12 days if you're doing the 12 days of Christmas. So, 18, another freaking figure. Ooh, this one's black and purple. My favorite colors. Get out of here. I want to see what you look like. Come here. Come here. I got your hand. Don't let go. Never let go. Promise me. Oh, you broke your promise. I like oath breakers. There we go. Hi, weird looking guy. So he looks like a master troll elf. I like his colors. They're cute, and his cape is pretty neat. So, yeah. I'm trying to make this as entertaining as I can for you guys because this is so stupid. Door number 19. Ah, another figure of Spider-Man. Didn't we get this one? Wasn't this door number 1? Oh, it's the difference. It's the good Spider-Man. The good version, not the dark version. You know what? Just, at this point, why not just ruin the whole damn box? I'm ruining the whole box and I still cannot get him out. Can you come out, please? Can you come out, please? Thank you. So, we have him on his web. The first one we got was the darker evil version. I'm assuming that's what he is. So yeah, now we got good guy Spider-Man, I guess. I don't know. And last but not least, we have just another little guy that's evil Spider-Man. I don't know if he's evil, but that's what I'm calling him. In another pretty cool pose, like, fuck with me. He's like the CEO of Fuck Around and Find Out pose right now, like. So, that was the whole calendar. So we got a whole bunch of Help Me Doctor, My Baby Isn't Breathing, 4 pretty neat stickers, and 2 bullshit build it yourselves. Would I say it's worth $1? Yeah, it's worth $1. If you're like a Spider-Man fan. Okay, yeah, see down here, warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years old. I agree with that statement. If you have a kid that's like 5 and up that likes Spider-Man, definitely get this for them because they're at that age where they're like, yeah, don't put inanimate objects that are not edible and stuff into my mouth or like in my nose and stuff like that because duh. I thought this was really funny though and fun and exciting. I wish my boyfriend was alive because, not because of the explaining he would be making me go through. I don't miss that, but he would probably have so much fun with this, and since he was an artist, he would have probably done something mad cool with this. So, and this also just like brings me back to memories with him. I gave him a full-on Spider-Man birthday party, so that was cool. So I thought that this was fun and cute and interesting. I wish I knew more about these characters. If you guys know more, again, please let me know down in the comments because I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already and you'd like to, please go down below, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blazer and a part of the Blaze Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. Woo! I love you guys so much, and until next time, my beautiful ones.